Are there better apps coming? Yes. Yes, there are. There's new technologies coming that will allow background tracking of contact tracing. It's much better technology. It's decentralized, which I'll get to later, and it's a shared system that Google and Apple are developing so they can work together in an improved API. The problem with all this is they're still coming. So these technologies are not here. And I know new tech launches are hard. You have setbacks, delays, you have problems, you have bugs. A massive rush to this new technology, if there's bugs or issues with it, that'll actually be worse than using an inferior technology that is out. So today, COVID safe uses centralized. In the future, it looks like we'll be moving to the decentralized technology. It's not clear if it's going to be in the same app. It may be in a new app. It will be better technology, but the nature of this pandemic is we need help now, and the working in the inferior app and overcoming the barriers now will actually mean we'll slow the spread before these new technologies are available. So specifically the Google and the Google and Apple contact tracing API, it became available to developers yesterday. I'm sure there's probably a month lead time before we'll start to see any production apps, particularly if they're working on technology with governments. There's long timelines there, so one, new tech may not launch successfully, and two, that the timeline on this new tech is unclear.